Did you know that you can rotate your text in Google Sheets? And I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. So guys, what you want to do, you want to find the text that you wish to rotate. I'm going to take, for example, the word amount here. And all you have to do is just simply select the cell. Then from here, you want to go to where it says format. And here in the list, you will find an option that says rotate. Once you hover over that, you have many options to select from. And I'm going to choose, for example, the tilt option. So I'm going to say tilt up. Once I select that, you can see my text is still top, right? Let's do the next one. Again, we want to go over to format, go down to where it says rotate, and let's choose, for example, this one, rotate down. And you will see that it does so. So if you're working with cells and different section within your Google documents, guys, you can figure out, you can easily rotate your text by simply using the format option and go down to rotation and choose how you do it. And if you want to make your columns really narrow, using the rotation of those texts can really help you to make those cells narrow. So I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, this one here again, and just make it narrow so that you can see it. And that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and rotate your text in Google Sheets. Very easy and very simple.